Hello, I choose joy. Today, we are going to learn how to make flour tortillas. I bought me a press a long time ago and I never put it to use, but today I am going to use it. I'm going to make brisket tacos. Come on. Okay, what we do know is that, maybe I'm just not using it right, but whatever. Rolling pin is where it's at. Taco. With some brisket on it. Homemade tortilla. Pretty good, y'all. That's a good tortilla. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all. Bye. Happy eating.